For years on end, ladies and gentlemen, if anyone wanted to build a tech career in India, what would one do? Well, the obvious answer would be go to Bengaluru. But very silently, without any noise, without any hype, a coastal city has been emerging and has been rewriting that very playbook. Mangaluru. Yes, and today that story just got stronger. Mangaluru Institute of Technology and Engineering (MITE) has partnered with Wipro to launch a full-scale AI Center of Excellence at its Moodbidri campus. This AI COE will be powered by Wipro Intelligence, built to mirror how real AI teams operate. We are, of course, referring to industry-designed curriculum, hands-on AI, ML, cybersecurity projects, direct mentorship from Wipro engineers, real-world problem solving, not theory. And of course, here is the big shift. Students will now train like AI engineers. This starts in the third year, of course. Students go through screening advanced assessments, multi-stage evaluation, and the top performers, well, walk out with a conditional letter of intent from Wipro itself before they even graduate. Because this is not happening in isolation. When we actually start to see, there is a pattern which is emerging. And here is that pattern. Bose has just set up its first global R&D center outside its headquarters, right here in Mangaluru, focusing on embedded software applications, cloud technologies, and now expanding into sales, operations, finance. Even Deloitte has signaled its entry, with plans to hire 50,000 people in India and explicitly calling out Mangaluru as the next destination. Why is this happening? Because the fundamentals are already in place. We have 20 plus engineering colleges, 80,000 plus students, rapidly growing IT workforce, which actually brings the costs lower, higher retention, strong talent density without metro chaos. So in fact, over 40 companies have already set up here, creating thousands of jobs and scaling rapidly. For years on end, India's tech story was one city, one ecosystem, but now, thankfully, it's becoming distributed, decentralized, scalable, and Mangaluru is emerging as what many are calling Bengaluru's +1. And here, of course, is the front page take. This Wipro MITE partnership is about where India's AI talent will be built. Because the future, I feel, is not so much about degrees, it's more about deployable engineers. And cities like Mangaluru are positioning themselves right at the center of that very flux. Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.